Hey guys, in today's video, we're breaking down the 5 best budget 3D printers in 2022. Through comprehensive research and testing, I put together a list of 5 products that will meet your specific needs. So whether you're looking for a budget-friendly 3D printer that can nail the basics, or if you want the highest quality budget option on the market, we'll have the perfect product for you. I've included links in the description if you want more information on any of the products we mention, and I'll try to keep it updated for the best prices. Now let's get started with the video. If you're looking for an inexpensive entry-level model that can reliably get the job done and nail basic printing requirements, the Monoprice Mini Delta V2 is my choice as the best 3D printer under $200 in 2022. The beginner-friendly Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D printer doesn't offer as many features as higher-end options like the Monoprice Voxel, but it offers quick and accurate prints, a durable metal build, and compatibility with multiple filament types for greater versatility while printing. It has a sturdy steel and anodized aluminum frame that should be able to withstand long-term usage, and it's lightweight at around 4 pounds for better placement flexibility. Unfortunately, the 4.7 by 4.3 by 4.3 inch maximum build area is the smallest on this list, but it should provide ample space for beginners to master the basics. Even more, it comes with an adaptive touchscreen for navigation, advanced auto leveling for more consistent results, and an internal diagnostic system for troubleshooting, which makes it ideal for entry-level users. It also offers solid connectivity, including a micro SD card slot, a micro USB port, and Wi-Fi compatibility via the PoloPrint Pro companion app. Unlike the Creality Ender 3 V2, it comes with a unique Delta coordinate system to deliver faster print speeds with minimal misprints and a lighter overall build. It doesn't provide the same high-quality prints as more expensive printers like the Voxel, but you still get respectable models with decent detail, though it can be somewhat prone to stringing or loose filaments. It also utilizes quiet driver motors to reduce noise while in use, but the open design needs a well-ventilated space and might be a potential safety hazard, so it's best to be careful while printing. It doesn't offer the same quality or detail as more expensive models, but the Monoprice Mini Delta V2 offers solid print speeds, versatile connectivity options, and good enough print quality for entry-level users. If you're looking for an inexpensive, easy-to-use 3D printer to learn the basics, casually print models, or produce smaller runs, this might be the ideal option for your needs. For anyone who's looking for a 3D printer that offers similar all-around performance to more expensive models for a significantly lower price, the Creality Ender 3 V2 is a great budget 3D printer for the money to consider. Not everyone has the need or budget for a premium 3D printer, and the Creality Ender 3 V2 is a reasonably priced, easy-to-use option that comes with impressive print volume, surprisingly high-quality print builds, and a useful resume print function to stay productive. It has a relatively compact design that weighs around 17 pounds, and it requires minimal setup out of the box, so you can start printing almost right away. Unfortunately, it lacks a touchscreen display, but it has a scroll wheel underneath the screen to navigate the user interface and select printing modes. I also like that it has a built-in tool drawer on the front, which allows you to store and easily access tools for printing or cleaning the components. Even more, it comes with support for offline printing from a micro SD card and an active online community to help beginners learn the ropes. The heated print bed can reach temperatures up to 110 degrees Celsius, which allows you to print with thermoplastics such as ABS, and it has a textured glass bed that keeps prints in place when hot to prevent warping or unevenness. While it lacks the print quality of more expensive models like the FlashForge Creator Pro 2, it still delivers good quality prints with solid detail, and the quality should be adequate for most casual printing requirements. It's also nice that it comes with a pause and resume function, so you can easily restart your printing process if the power supply is interrupted. The Creality Ender 3 V2 Pro doesn't come with as many bells and whistles as more expensive offerings like the AnyCubic Photon Mono X, but it offers solid print quality, intuitive controls, and an active online community that can help you hone your skills. This is an ideal option if you want an inexpensive option that can handle casual printing tasks with surprising quality. Some users might be looking for a reasonably priced 3D printer that's suitable for almost any printing task or user experience level. The Monoprice Voxel is my choice as the best budget 3D printer for most people in 2022. Monoprice has a lot of solid options to choose from, and their relatively budget-friendly Voxel model comes with excellent ease of use, an intelligently designed build platform for easy removal, and several other useful features, which makes it ideal for almost any user. Unlike the previously mentioned Creality Ender 3 V2, it comes with a closed frame which remains quieter, provides better safety from hot liquids, and reduces the smell from printing, especially with ABS builds or other thermoplastics. It comes mostly pre-assembled and calibrated, so you can start printing almost directly after unboxing the printer, and it has an intuitive 2.8-inch touchscreen display with assisted level adjustments for beginners. It also offers versatile print options and allows you to print files over Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or from a USB thumb drive, and it features a built-in camera to monitor your progress while printing. You get a heated print bed that allows you to print with multiple filaments in impressive resolutions up to 50 to 300 microns, and you get solid speeds up to 60 millimeters per second to quickly complete builds, although it can be prone to misprints. I like that it has a specially designed surface texture that supports the first layer of prints, so you get a more stable foundation for the rest of the figure. And unlike budget-friendly alternatives like the Monoprice Mini Delta V2, it utilizes a flexible and removable build plate that allows you to remove completed projects without damage. The Monoprice Voxel is the best budget 3D printer for most people because of its outstanding user experience, intelligent closed design, and superior printing quality and features to the previously mentioned options. I would recommend this if you're a beginner that needs an intuitive option, a more experienced hobbyist looking to upgrade, or if you want a reasonably priced model that can consistently deliver impressive results. Next up, we have a slightly more expensive option with a large print size, impressive print quality, and fast printing speeds. The AnyCubic Photon Mono X is a great all-around option for you to consider. AnyCubic's Photon Mono X 3D printer is a more affordable alternative to premium models that's capable of completing larger jobs quickly, producing high-quality, detailed print resolutions, and remaining stable while in use for greater consistency. Despite its impressively large build area, it has a relatively compact frame with an aluminum platform and a dual Z-axis design to eliminate excess wobbling while printing. In contrast to other 3D printers like the Monoprice Voxel, it has stereolithography technology that utilizes a UV light source to solidify liquid resin, which produces more complex prints and superior fine details. On the front, you get a large 8.9-inch 4K monochromatic LCD display to select print modes, print with greater precision, and improve printing speeds, though the screen needs to be replaced periodically and SLA printing tends to be a bit messier than other alternatives. It uses the Photon Workshop software, which allows you to load one or more 3D models, multiply models, move them around, scale them up or down depending on your requirements, divide larger models, and automatically add supports. It's also compatible with the AnyCubic companion app, so you can start or monitor printing progress directly from your smartphone, and it has a unique Wash and Cure Plus feature to remove excess resin and further solidify the figure. Overall, it produces high-quality prints with clean edges, smooth curves, and fine details, which makes it an ideal option for more experienced makers or enthusiasts. The AnyCubic Photon Mono X doesn't offer the high-end performance of the FlashForge Creator Pro 2, but it utilizes unique technology to produce impressive, detailed prints, and most hobbyists won't notice the drop-off in quality too much. This is an ideal option if you want a high-quality 3D printer that can consistently produce clean, detailed prints with solid speed at a cheaper price than premium offerings. If you're looking for an inexpensive 3D printer that comes with a complete blend of print quality, ease of use, and intuitive software, the FlashForge Creator Pro 2 is my choice as the best overall 3D printer in 2022. The FlashForge Creator Pro 2 is one of the best 3D printers available for under $1,000, and it offers near universal filament compatibility, a heated print bed for consistent results, and superior printing performance to most competitors in this range. It has a sturdy aluminum build to withstand long-term usage, carrying handles on either side for improved portability, and a reasonably intuitive setup process. Unlike cheaper single-head options like the Creality Ender 3 V2, it utilizes a unique independent dual extruder design to improve its printing efficiency so it can reliably print two objects simultaneously or one object with two distinct colors. It's also versatile and can work with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, so it can be used in most situations. Unfortunately, the closed design limits the print volume and doesn't offer automatic level adjustments, but it has an intuitive 3.5-inch touchscreen display to navigate the UI. It's compatible with the FlashForge slicing software, but it's limited compared to more advanced programs. You get outstanding print quality that includes plenty of subtle details, but it's loud compared to competitors. The heated print bed and precise nozzle heads deliver consistent, even results with most types of filament, so you get less stringing than with cheaper models like the Monoprice Mini Delta V2. It also comes with a duplicate mode and a mirror mode, which allow it to work on two exact replicas to efficiently mass-produce figures or to produce mirrored duplicates. The FlashForge Creator Pro 2 is the best overall budget 3D printer because of its productivity-enhancing design, durable build, and better print quality than the cheaper models on this list. If you don't mind spending a bit more on an excellent mid-range 3D printer that offers impressive detail and solid features for under $1,000, this might be the ideal choice for you. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.